Ringworm skin infection is basically a fungal skin infection which affects your skin, your hair, and your nails. It is not due to any worm, as a name suggests. It's not due to any worms. It's a fungal infection. Basically, the area which are enclosed have a lot of sweating over there. Basically, groin area, underarm, under your breasts, maybe axilla, on your foots. You are wearing continuously socks and boots and everything there, on the scalp, on your nails, everywhere. Ringworm infection is caused by dermatophyte fungi, which is normally present on our skin, and it affects normally immune deficient patients or immune deficient person, like HIV/AIDS person, or person going through chemotherapy, cancer, or is undergone any surgery, any on a low on a steroid or anything. Basically, low immunity person, and low hygiene, very poor hygienic person, and children. Raised red regions, itchiness, maybe if you are having on a nails, your nail color may become yellowish, your nail become very brittle, and you may feel a brownish yellowish spots on your nail. On the scalp, you may feel there is no hair on the scalp and you are itching and you have a white flakes on your scalp, then it could be a fungal infection. So basically normal, these are very normal and can be diagnosed with normal clinical examination by any dermatologist. You can see a raised red lesions, round lesions, and the in between area is clear, or maybe may you feel dry or scaly, and it itches a lot. That's the main thing. It itches a lot. If you come to doctor very early, then only creams will be enough. But if you have a larger area covered with a fungal infection, then you may require a oral and a topical treatment. Plus you need to avoid contact with that similar area, because it's very highly contagious. You need to change your clothes and be properly hygienic during the period. These infections last from 2 weeks to 6 weeks to years also, if not treated properly. They are very highly contagious. They are very highly contagious. Even if you scratch it here and if you scratch it on your area, own area somewhere else, it can happen on that site also. It can be prevented if you know the person have these fungal infections. Avoid contact, avoid sharing your items with the persons, like your clothes, your chadar, your bed sheet, handkerchiefs, and everything. Keep clean the areas. Use soap water to clean the normal areas. Keep your skin, your areas clean and basically dry. First of all, as a summer, wear loose clothes. Whenever you are coming home, if you are sweaty, take a bath, take a normal cold shower. Do not scrub your areas or your skin thoroughly. Keep your diet clean. Keep your immunity up all the time. If you have any deficiency, ask for the supplements to the doctor. Keep the area hygienic. If you know the person, just avoid taking any products or the items from that similar person. If you feel you have a itching on the same area or somewhere else, just go to the dermatologist. Do not scratch the area, do not touch the area. Apply the creams and the creams regularly. One more thing, if you are on any tablets given by the doctors or antifungal tablets, do the course complete, because if you do not take tablets properly, those tablets may cause resistance for your that fungal infection. So these tablets again won't be able to give you proper results. So take course complete.